Thank you for joining me for another Quick and Crafty with the spotlight will be on the Snail Mail Suite. You can find that in our catalog, mini catalog, January to June 2021 on page 54 and 55. Okay, the Snail Mail Suite collection consists of the bundle where you get this stamp set and these dies to go with it. Now these dies will cut out images in the stamp set. This image, this one, this little envelope that's inside this stamp, this image, and this image. But there's also others included. Let me show you. You'll also get this postage looking stamp die outline. You will get 2 of these hearts, so if you do want to cut out more than one, you can do 2 at a time. This is the little die that will cut out that envelope. And this die will cut out a piece of cardstock where you can make an envelope. And this is a little rectangle that you could put a message on that will fit inside the envelope. And you get 3 dies that will cut out outlined mushrooms, a large one and 2 little ones. So let me show you some cards. I will show you cards where I used all those. But I also got from the suite the combo twine pack, and it comes with white and blushing bride twine. And I got the package of resin hearts, and they come in white and real red. Now let me show you the cards where I use this suite. I made a birthday card. For the background, I used the Flower and Field Designer Series paper. I used the brick and mortar embossing folder to look like the brick wall back here, and the playful alphabet dies to make the happy birthday message on the wall. And then on the inside, I did the stamp of the mushrooms. So I did a birthday card, I did just a hello card, and I used that Flower and Field Designer Series paper where I cut out flowers to put on the background. Here you can see I used that big postage stamp die to make this pink colored background. Here I used the little envelope, made the little envelope with the die and the little message to go inside. And I used some of the resin hearts. Okay, here's one where again I use that postage stamp die, and I use the mushroom dies where you get the outline mushrooms. So I did 3 colors of the little ones and 2 of the big ones, and then I die cut these images to put on the background of the postage stamp. Here's one where I used the Stitch So Sweetly dies for the background die. I used the twine, and on the snail where she's normally carrying packages, I covered up the packages with 3 of those little envelopes, and I used the dies to cut out those little envelopes. Okay. This one again, I used the Stitch So Sweetly dies for the background piece, and when I did the mushroom image, I stamped 2, one on the Stitch So Sweetly die piece and one on scratch paper that I could cut out the big mushroom and add it to this background, and one of the little mushrooms to add it over here. And this background Designer Series paper is from the True Love Designer Series paper, which is also in that mini catalog. Well, that completes the cards that I made to show you today from this suite. I hope that you enjoyed seeing them. I certainly enjoyed making them because I like the bright colors that it inspired me to use. Thank you very much for joining me. Bye now.